We are going to continue with our mathematics on the chapter of histogram. Now, histogram is used to represent a group of data with a specific class interval. For your syllabus, we are going to just look at equal class interval. It will consist of rectangles whose area are proportional to the frequency in each class, and the horizontal axis will represent the class interval. The frequency, however, is actually represented using the vertical axis. We will see an example later on. In most situations, you will be given a table made out of the class and the frequency. If the table is not given, you're given raw data and the class, then you will need to fill in the frequency yourself by counting how many times the raw data actually fit into the class. But in most cases, the questions will be in a table form. Alright, so this table will actually be given to you. What would the answer actually look like? The answer will look like this. So let's go through the element. First, you have the vertical axis. This is the frequency. Okay. Since the largest frequency is actually at 18, I can actually stop at 20. Alright, just a little bit more than 18. The horizontal axis actually is the class, and it starts from 150 all the way to 170. So 150, 155, all the way to 170. I have no data below 150, so I can actually use this zigzag line over here, alright, to represent that there is no data or no value below 150. Once that is done, I start to look at the frequency. So 150 to 155, the frequency is 7. So from 150 to 155 at 7. And I draw a rectangle over here. From 155 to 160, frequency 12. So 155, here's 155. Here's 12. See, this is for 12 all the way up to 160, and I will draw this rectangle, and I will continue to draw the rectangle for each of the class. So this is the format that your GCE exam actually requires you to use. The last thing to remember is the title. Students always forget to put the title. Right, where do you get the title? The title either is in the questions or in the table. Then you have your entire answer for this histogram question.